You all know how time-consuming and laborious designs can be. They might also end up looking like they were created by a 5-year-old.
Emotional damage!
And who wants all that time wasted? But what if I tell you that you could generate stunning visuals in seconds? No more low-quality renders, no more Pinterest fails. And the best part? Prome AI is so easy to use. Even cats can do it. Let me show you. Back to your beloved tutorial voice.
You'll need to make a simple model. Hold down left mouse button and drag it to select objects. Then press delete. Click on the window tab, select model info and then purge unused. Select the rectangle tool. Click on the origin, move your mouse and type 7.5:13.5. Press enter. Select the pen tool. Click anywhere and move your mouse to move around. Use your scroll wheel to zoom and hold it to rotate. Select the line tool. Move your mouse to any corner, click on it, move your mouse along red axis and click once again or type any value and press enter. Move your mouse to the end of the drawn line, click on it, move your mouse along green axis and press enter. It's important to draw lines along axis if you want straight angles. Repeat the process until you're happy with the result. In this case you'll need a few random shapes, but it's preferable to make some of them bigger than others. It'll help you create nice layers. Use your scroll wheel to zoom, hold it to rotate. Select the push-pull tool, press Ctrl, click on the surface, move your mouse up, then click again or type any value and press enter. Click on the select tool. Hold down left mouse button and drag it to select objects. Right-click and select make group. Repeat the process for other platforms. It's important to press Ctrl when you select the push-pull tool, because otherwise it'll push the surface to the top and leave the bottom open. Use your scroll wheel to zoom. Select the line tool. Move your mouse to the origin, click on it, move your mouse up along blue axis and click once again or type any value and press enter. Click on the select tool. Click on any platform to select it. Select the move tool. Click on the bottom corner, move your mouse to the end of the vertical line and click again. Repeat the process for other platforms. You need to create layers, but don't make them too close to each other. Use your scroll wheel to rotate. Select the eraser tool and click on unnecessary lines to remove them. Select the pen tool, click anywhere and move your mouse to move around. Use your scroll wheel to zoom and hold it to rotate. When you are happy with your scene, scroll down in the default tray window, find Scenes tab, press on plus to add new scene. Click on the Camera tab and select 2-point perspective. Right-click the Scene 1 tab and select Update to save the new frame. Use your scroll wheel to zoom, hold it to rotate. Select the Circle tool. Type 50 to make edges smoother, then click anywhere, type 0.015 and press enter. Select the Push-Pull tool, press Ctrl, click on the surface, move your mouse up, then click again or type any value and press enter. You can also move your mouse to any bottom point of any platform and click it to align the height. Click on the Select tool. Hold down left mouse button and drag it to select objects. Right-click and select Make Group. Select the Move tool. Use your scroll wheel to rotate to the bottom and to zoom to the base. You'll need to move your mouse to any point of the circle's edge to find its center. Try it a few times. If it doesn't work the first time, click on the center point and move your mouse to where you want to place it. Use your scroll wheel to zoom, hold it to rotate. Click again. Click on the Select tool. Double-click the surface to open the group. Select the Push-Pull tool. Click on the surface, move your mouse to any bottom point of any platform and click it. Click on the Select tool. Click away or press Escape to close the group. Click on the post to select it, then press Ctrl and C to copy, Ctrl and V to paste. Click anywhere to place it. Use your scroll wheel to rotate to the bottom and to zoom to the base. Find the center, click it, move to where you want it to be and click again. Repeat the process until you're happy with the result. Use your scroll wheel to zoom, hold it to rotate. Click on the Select tool. Double-click the surface to open the group. Hold down left mouse button and drag it to select the top. Then hold Shift, hold your left mouse button as well and drag it to unselect the post. That way only the top is selected. Select the Move tool. Click anywhere, move your mouse along blue axis and click again. Click on the Scene 1 tab to go back to the saved frame. Add more posts by pressing Ctrl and C to copy, Ctrl and V to paste and stretch them if you feel like it's needed. It's necessary to unselect the post when you're stretching it, because you need the top part to stretch upwards, and not the whole post move up. You can adjust the height of any platform if needed. Select the Move tool, click anywhere, move your mouse along blue axis and click again. Or type any value and press Enter. Repeat this process if needed. Obviously had to lower the posts too after the height adjustment. Select the Pen tool, click anywhere and move your mouse to move around. Open the Chaos Cosmos window. Find the concrete category, then find the concrete weathered 300 cm material, download it and click on the import icon. We'll also need the metal weathered SO120 cm material from the metal category and the waves SO2 200 cm material from the liquid category. Use your scroll wheel to zoom, hold it to rotate. Hold down left mouse button and drag it to select objects. Right-click and select Make Group. Hold down left mouse button and drag it to select the base. Then hold Shift and click on the post group to unselect it. Right-click and select Make Group. Select the Pen tool, click anywhere and move your mouse to move around. Open Asset Editor. Select the concrete material. Go to the default tray, scroll up and find the Materials tab. Select the Paint Bucket tool and click on the platforms. In the Materials tab, switch Select with Edit. Make the concrete material lighter. Open Asset Editor. Select the metal material and apply it to the group by clicking on any post. Click on the Select tool. Double-click the surface to open the group. Open Asset Editor. Select the waves material and apply it to the middle part. In the Materials tab, switch Select with Edit. Select the picker tool and click on any platform to select its material. Apply the material to the remaining surface. Click away or press Escape to close the group. Click on the Scene 1 tab to go back to the saved frame. Go to the default tray, find the Shadows tab and click Show/Hide Shadows. We need the middle part to be sunny. It's better to hide shadows after you're done, because it drastically affects productivity of your computer. Right-click the Scene 1 tab and select Update to save the new frame. Open Asset Editor. Click on the Settings tab, then choose Desired Quality. In the Render Output tab, change Aspect Ratio to Square and then change Image Width/Height. Turn Safe Frame on. When you're happy with your scene, find the Scenes tab in the default tray window, press on plus to add new scene. Drag a model to SketchUp space and click to place it. Use your scroll wheel to zoom, hold it to rotate. Ctrl and C to copy, Ctrl and V to paste. Click on the Select tool. Hold Shift to select multiple objects. Right-click and select Make Group. Select the Move tool. Click anywhere, move your mouse along blue axis and click again. Click on the Select tool. Double-click the surface to open the group. Use the Move tool to move models where you would like them to be. You can use Ctrl and C to copy, Ctrl and V to paste, or press Ctrl 2 times. Place all the copies and then move them around. You can also scale some of them, but it's not important, because I will do the job. You just need to roughly position the plans. Select the Picker tool and click on any vine, then make it darker to show the difference. Click on the kettle to start rendering. Save the result.
Now that we have our render, we can proceed. If you want more in-depth Prome AI review, then watch my previous video. You can find the link in the description. In this case, we'll use sketch rendering. Click on the image icon to upload your render. It doesn't take much time. If you scroll down, you can see that you can add prompt and a reference image. You can change style, scene and mode as well. Let's first see what it can do without an additional help. I picked a realistic photograph style and a jungle scene. If you scroll even further, you'll see some more interesting options. You can make your image detailed, change perspective and lighting. Click Generate and wait. And we're done. Wow! I'm honestly shocked. It turned out amazing. Just look at the difference. And this whole process, including the making of a model, took less than an hour. Let's see what else we've got.
Nice.
They all have different vibes and I truly love them all. You can get even better results and I'm here to help you. use my coupon code to redeem 20 free coins.
Oh my god!
It's so much fun. I had to generate more. They look more like the one before, but I'm not mad at it. The final result. Okay, it's time to try other styles and scenes. Would be interesting to see a combination of jungle, islands, mountains, underwater, and beach. There are so many different styles. Playing with them all can take literal hours. So addictive. I decided that a sci-fi style will look good. Now for the fun part. Let's generate.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
The final result. Don't forget to use my code and have fun.